In this video, I will show you how to delete your Trello account. First, log into your Trello account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will find the option Manage or Delete your Atlassian account. Click on this option, and you will be redirected to the Atlassian account management page. On this page, you have the option to edit your account information if needed. However, if you want to proceed with account deletion, click on Account Preferences, which is located at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option to Delete Account. Click on it to begin the deletion process. At this stage, a message will appear informing you that deleting your account will revoke access to all Atlassian services, including Trello. The services associated with your account will be listed here. If you are certain that you want to proceed, click on the Delete Account button. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Delete Account again. Once you confirm, your account will be deactivated for 14 days. During this period, you have the option to reactivate your account if you change your mind. However, if you do not log in and reactivate it within this time frame, your account will be permanently deleted.